So hello you guys, we are back again to our channel. If you are new, so please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more videos. Everyone know we do binary trading in Olam Trade. Olam Trade is the very best option. I'm not advertising that Olam Trade, but I use that way. Anyway, leave it. So first we open Olam Trade. Okay, here we go. Letter. We have $10,460. So here we go, first $500 buy, but that's a Bitcoin, but not we choose your USD. Okay, first we analyze chart, then second we trade. Here we go. I thought for $500 sell, but $500 is very big amount, so we choose $250. So let's see. Here we go. Here we go for again sell, but we have many more amount, so we choose $500. So let's see, first we analyze chart, then second we trade. My analyze tell me that market gone downward trend, but let's see what happened there. Okay, our one trade in profit, but no, our both trades are in loss. So let's see. Okay, come on, come on, come on. We have only 20 seconds. Okay, market gone upward trend. We are in a big loss. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I thought that's a fake out, but let's see. 4, 3, 2, 1. Our one trade close in loss. The change appeared GBP USD. Okay, $500 sell, $500 sell, $500 sell again $500 sell. Okay, my analyst said that it's a risk trade, but I thought we are in big profit, so that's why I choose. Okay, let's see. So here we go in loss, but let's see, we have 30 seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, one profit book. Okay, we have 20 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's again profit, one again profit, one again profit, and 3, 2, 1. It's again profit. That's a risk trading, but it's a very big trade. So we earned 3 minutes. 3 minutes we earned $1,260. So that's a trade, guys. So now we choose to $300 for buy. First we analyze chart, then second we trade. Everyone know, but let's see. Again $300 buy. Market move, but market moves slowly, but let's see. Okay. Okay, market got really upward trade. So here we go. Here we have 20 seconds only. SNR strategy and price action strategy. That's so everyone. If you learn my strategy, so please follow me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's a profit. Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's again big profit. So that's a trading, guys. Okay, please follow me for more updates and more videos. So here we go again for buy $500. That's called SNR, and that's a SNR strategy I gave you. So please, if you learn my strategy, so please follow me and subscribe my channel and like my videos. Now let's see what happened. Okay, okay, market gone really big downward, but I think that's a fake out, but let's see. Okay, our limit is rich, but let's see. Okay, that's a risk, guys, so please don't try this. That's a risk, guys, so please I tell you, don't try this because it's a very risky trading. I have much more money, that's why I use that trade. So here we go. We have only 4 seconds. Three, two. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. Two, one. Okay, earn. One again. Earn again. Two, one. Okay, that's my boy. So we earned $12,532. So that's a trading, guys. So if you like my strategy, so please follow me and subscribe my channel. And that's SNR strategy. So see you guys soon again. Bye bye.